Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the vocabulary for consumption. The first part going to go over with you, and the second part I'm going to invite you to study on vocab.com. I'll get to that in a minute. But right now, the first part of this consumption is what's called the materials economy. That's the economy or the money that comes from all the things that we make and consume on the planet. So it's how the products we consume go through a number of stages. One is extraction. Extract means to take from or cut away from. It's the action of taking something, taking out something, especially natural resources, especially using effort or force. The second part is production, and that's the action of making or manufacturing things from components or things or raw materials, which is natural resources. Distribution, once we gather the resources, we make something and we need to distribute it for sale. That's the action or process of supplying goods, things, to stores and other businesses that sell to consumers. That's us, consumers, people who buy and use things. Consumption, we use them. And then, of course, once we use them, we have disposal. That's waste, the action or process of throwing away or getting rid of something. Okay, so for the next part, the rest of the vocabulary terms are on vocab.com. So I'm going to invite you to go ahead and pause the video now, go to vocab.com, use that code, and just practice. Remember, when you're doing vocab.com, don't worry about wrong answers. Just keep going until you feel comfortable with it. And then I'll see you when you're finished.